golden skies and fields of green, land of dreams and hopes unseen. Children laughing, voices ring, sing the song of freedom, sing. Mountains high and rivers flow, in our hearts the love will grow. Unity in every beat, feel the rhythm, feel the heat. India, oh India, land of promise and of light. India, oh India, shine so bright with all your might. Oh, 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 oh.
Good morning everyone. My name is Amog Acharyam from 2nd standard day 1. Freedom is not given, that is taken. If you give your blood, I shall give you freedom. Jai Hind. Good morning everyone. My name is Khadir Ayam. I am studying in LKG. We are celebrated public day. हम नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे दांत हमारे कच्चे, हम भी शहर जाएंगे, सीने पे गोली खाएंगे, मर जाएंगे, मिट जाएंगे, देश की शान बढ़ाएंगे. Good morning everyone. My name is Shabaz. I am studying in UKG. My school name is Newton Grammar School. My part is soldier. Jai Hind. Good morning to everyone. Happy Republic Day to all. I am Swami Vivekananda, national leader of India, student of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Hassan. I am studying in 1st standard 2. My role is Indian Army. Hello my India. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಾಚಿ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್. ನಾನು ಯುಕೆಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಝಾನ್ಸಿ ರಾಣಿ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ ನನ್ನ ಮಾನ, ಈಗಲೇ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೊಲಗಿ.